Hello everybody, welcome to GI's E-Pathshala Grade 7 Social Science Geography. Our chapter is about air. We have seen the composition of air, about atmosphere also, that a thin layer of air around the earth is known as atmosphere. But the atmosphere is having the different layers. So there are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exospheres are the layers of the atmosphere. Now further we will see about weather and climate. Weather and climate. Now what is weather? The condition of the air of the atmosphere is general at a particular moment or over a short period of time. It is an experience from day to day and many change any and may change anytime. See, this is the weather means the condition of air or the atmosphere in general at a particular moment for a short period of time. For a short period of time. See, they one day today and tomorrow is different, or yesterday today and yesterday something was different. Then you were saying that today the weather is not good compared to yesterday. So little bit change, something change. So it is known as weather. It is an experience from day to day and may change anytime. Suddenly the weather changes. Nowadays we are experiencing that at 12 o'clock it is very hot. And 1:30, 2 o'clock the black clouds are there and you feel that just now it will start raining. So immediately we are saying that suddenly the weather changed. Climate, the average condition of the atmosphere in a given place or a region. Average condition of an atmosphere in a given place or region observed every year, and the summary of the weather pattern of a given region. Means for the long time there is somewhat change and they are observing and then they are concluding, and summary is concluding and they are giving one point that the climate is such type of climate. So climate is a long time thing and weather is a short period thing. Elements and controls of weather and climate. Elements and controls of weather and climate. Now we can see that weather is weather weather is this hour to hour, day to day condition of the atmosphere. A hot and humid weather may make the one irritable. A pleasant breeze weather may make one cheerful. Even plan of an outing. Even plan for an outing. Weather can change dramatically from day to day. See, day to day the weather can change. However, the average weather condition of a place for a long period of time represents climate. Average weather condition for period for long time means weather condition they are noticing daily that this type of weather is remaining maximum time. So this type of they were making the thing that this type of climate is in this region. Now the elements and control of weather and climate. See, weather and climate, elements of climatic control. Temperature elements are temperature, precipitation, air pressure and wind. Climatic condition, see, weather is depending upon temperature, precipitation, air pressure and wind, and climate is depending on altitude evolution means higher altitude, lower altitude, orographic or mountain barriers, mountainous areas, whatever the climate is there, like that. Pressure belts, ocean currents, heating difference and refunds and wind flows. Now temperature, an important element of climate, degree of hotness and coldness of the atmosphere, influenced by certain factors such as altitude and latitude. See, higher altitude we are going, lower altitude, like that it is coming. Now temperature, the temperature that we feel every day is the temperature of the atmosphere. The degree of hotness and coldness of the air is known as temperature. The temperature changes between day and night and season to season. Summer are hotter than winter. Now isolation, an important factor that influences the distribution of temperature is isolation. Isolation is the incoming solar energy interpreted by the earth. The amount of isolation decreases from the equator towards the poles, means how much solar energy heat of the sun we are getting, that is. Therefore the temperature decreases in the same manner. See, amount of isolation means the place where how the place is getting the heat of the sun decreases from equator towards the pole. As in equator, the straight sun rays are falling, so there the area is getting more heat compared to the poles. Therefore, the temperature decreases in the same manner. So, there the area of equator, the temperature is high, but as we are moving towards to the pole, the temperature is less because the heat of the sun is less that side. Air pressure and wind. Air pressure, the amount of air passes or pushes on anything. You usually do not notice air pressure, but you do not do affect its notice. We are not feeling the air pressure, but we feel some of the, if we can notice some of its effect. As you travels higher above the earth, the air pressure changes. Higher, as you are going high, the air pressure will be less. Temperature also changes the higher you travel. As you travel higher, the temperature also changes. The earth's surface heats the air further from the earth, cooler temperature. As you go further from the earth, the temperature is cooler. As the air near the low air pressure, what is low air pressure? See, as the air near the surface of the earth becomes warmer, the air particles move further apart. The air becomes lighter and rises. This is when low pressure area forms. See, as the air near the surface of the earth, on the surface of the earth, the air becomes warmer. See, warm air going fast, warm air is going rising fast. So warm air जल्दी से ऊपर जाती है and the air particles move further apart and the air particles move further apart. They are not together combined. There will be space between the particles. The air become lighter and rises. The air is lighter and it rises high. This is when a low pressure area forms. Now see high pressure area. Cold air is heavier than warm air. See, cold air is very heavier than warm air. Its particles are placed closer. See, closed particles are placed closer. The particles are coming closer together and pushed down harder, and they pushed down harder. This is when a high pressure area forms. This forms a high pressure area. Wind. Air moves from a place with a high pressure to place with a low pressure. Air moves from the area place with high pressure to a low pressure. Air moving is called wind. Moving air is called wind. When the cooler air from the high pressure area sneaks towards the earth, it causes wind. That is why we feel a cool breeze even on a warm summer day. When the cooler air forms a high pressure area sinks towards the earth. See, cooler air forms a high pressure area. High pressure area, the particles do not have the place between that. Do not have the place and they are joining together. So it is formed little bit and it is weight is more. So it is coming down towards the earth and it causes wind. Now measuring air pressure. See, barometer is there. Barometer is there. Measure the atmosphere pressure. Barometer is there to measure the atmosphere pressure. Wind vane is there. What is the wind vane is doing? The direction of the wind. Wind vane is also showing the direction of the wind. Anemometer is there. It is also showing the direction of the wind. Now types of wind. Now types of wind. Moving air is known as wind, that you do know. The movement of air from the high pressure area to low pressure is known as wind. See, what is wind you are knowing. Okay. Now the type of wind is there. Permanent wind. The trade wind, westerlies and easterlies are the permanent winds. These blow constantly throughout the year in a particular direction. The winds that constantly moves throughout the year in a particular direction are known as the permanent wind. Winds blow continuously throughout the year in a particular direction are known as the permanent winds. Now seasonal winds. These winds change their direction in different seasons. These winds change the direction in different seasons. For example, monsoon in India. The monsoonal winds are coming in India. Local wind. These blow only during the particular period of day or year in a small area. For example, land and sea breeze. Do you recall the hot and dry local wind in northern plains of India? It is called Loo. See, in summer only this type of winds are there, local winds are there. We are knowing it as a Loo. So this type of types of winds are there. So we have seen about the winds and air temperature, air pressure, all the things in this chapter. Now you recall and you study and you go through some of the cyclonic problems. You find and see what is a cyclone, and in India, Orissa is counted as a cyclone prone area. Again and again cyclones are coming in Orissa. So you find about Orissa that how this why again and again cyclones are occurring there. Thank you.